Hi, this is Cheryl back with you from Farmhouse Frugally. Today I am going to show you my most recent dump haul and a pair of end tables that are trash to treasure flips that I think came out beautiful. And if you're new to Farmhouse Frugally, I do a lot of crafts, mostly in the farmhouse, but sometimes in the cottagecore style. A lot of furniture flips. I have a number of videos if you'd like to check those out. We do tremendous dump hauls. Our location has just fabulous stuff for free at our dump, and therefore a lot of trash to treasures from those very items, and that's what I have for you today. So here is the most recent dump haul. It's small because it's very cold here, but somebody had dropped off a number of Christmas signs that are cute. This one is a lot of Christmassy words that make the face of a reindeer. And this one day of coal, 364 days of fun, I'll take my chances. And then this one, which is comfort and joy. Very cute. All of them are very cute, but I thought that they would be great to make over. And this one is quite adorable, so I think I might keep it. Cozy fires, cold nights, sweater weather, twinkling lights, hot cocoa, warm wishes, rosy cheeks, mistletoe kisses. So cute. And then this beautiful jar had licorice in it, I suppose, and has a really great cover on it. Looks a little Halloween to me, so I am going to do something different with that. And then this wire angel, I initially thought I might take just for the wings because I had made such beautiful wooden angel. I'll drop a picture here, and I thought maybe I could use that, but I might redo this and keep the entire wire angel and do something completely different with it. And that takes us to our trash to treasure. We found this pair of end tables at our local dump, and they are very, very scratched on the top, but they are very sturdy and in pretty good shape. So in the truck they went, brought those home, and thank God for my husband. I had hurt my shoulder, and so he was willing to sand both tops down to the natural wood, and the wood on them is really quite lovely. So I did really want to save the tops natural and paint the base. My inspiration for this piece is this piece I had finished a couple of months ago, and I love the natural top and the beautiful color of this. Everyone seems to love that, and it does make it easier to sell. So you may remember I had picked up 5 buckets of paint at the dump recently, and I had put a little bit of a sample on a piece of paper so I could remember which color was which. So I did choose number 3. And I added white chalk paint to it because it was still too dark for me, and came out with a really pretty, almost a tan color, and I did have to give those 3 coats. I know a lot of people just really like wood, so, here it is with one leg wood and one leg painted, just to give you an idea of how that color does brighten everything up a bit. I understand the desire to keep wood if you can, but remember these were at the dump, so, gives me free reign to do something with it. I did take off the hardware, clean everything, and went ahead and completely painted them with those 3 coats. And so here's just a couple of shots. I did sand the knob and then kind of decide whether I want to keep that knob or go with a different knob. Here, one of them is finished without the top being polyurethane, just really showing you how light and bright that looks. And then with the polyurethane on top, it really just looks so phenomenal. Here's a picture of one of them done and one of them not done so that you can see them side by side. Then I did take some of that beautiful wallpaper that I had gotten for free, and I measured that and cut that and then just wet the back so that I would be able to line the drawer with that because it really wasn't in phenomenal shape. I'm not sure what had gone in there, but after I tried cleaning it, it didn't come out all that clean. So I like the look of that since I'm gonna sell these to have that finished. And then, of course, I have to go through and do the second one exactly like I did the first one. And then once I had them done, I kind of toyed with the idea of changing that knob out for a smaller metal knob, and then decided against it because it made the legs look a little bit too chunky. So here it is in my living room, all finished, the pair of them. I love the way that they came out. I love that they match everything in my living room, but I simply do not have space for them. So they are already for sale, and hopefully will sell quickly. They certainly go with any neutral decor, farmhouse, cottage core, even coastal would work. So I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up for this video. That definitely helps the channel to grow. And also leave a comment as to whether you would have left the base wood or painted it. Now, I am also going to be on a collaboration with Corey from Desert DIY January 30th. I don't think you want to miss this. That piece of furniture I flipped came out spectacular. It's already sold. And I thank you for stopping by. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.